Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Traffic Stop Turns Chaotic After Nurse Refuses to Comply.
I gotta go to work and y'all pulling me over for some bullshit because it's a game.
Stop.
It's so fun for y'all.
Stop.
Fuck you.
You're gonna get yourself arrested. Knock it off.
Arrest me then.
Come over here.
Fuck you.
Come over here.
You're not gonna arrest me? Then get out the fuck out of my face.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm Sergeant McGowan from Harrison. I do have to let you know I have a camera on. It's our policy, okay? Do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance with you?
Can I something for that?
Are you the registered owner of the car?
I am.
Your driver's license is suspended.
No, that's not. You saw my car.
What's that?
That's my license.
Well, it's suspended in the system. That's why I'm stopping you.
Well, that's all right. I don't understand how you guys run a tag.
We can run any tag that goes past in the whole state of New Jersey. Oh, you drove past me, right? I ran pretty much every tag that drives past me, as long as I can see it.
I can't find my registration.
Looks like you have a lot of tickets in there, so.
Yeah, for the same stupid stuff y'all pulling me over for. But
Well,
nothing.
if you know your driver's license is suspended, why are you still driving?
I'm not suspended.
Your driver's license is suspended.
I'm not suspended.
You are.
I don't know why it's not right. I can't find my registration. I had it up there. That's where I put it when the last police officer pulled me over. I put it back up there. I don't have my registration.
Do you have your insurance? Or are you able to pull your insurance on your phone?
My insurance is on my phone.
Okay.
I don't have my registration. Y'all stole that so I can go to court and tell you to shut. Y'all always coming up with something. I can't wait to get the fuck out this state. Man, stupid petty shit.
Why is it everybody else's fault? The cop even said, like, he could see your little paperwork. He said, it looked like you got a lot of tickets in there. And the way that she's coming off, she's saying, man, you know, y'all keep stopping me. Y'all keep stopping me. Well, why don't you get whatever it is that you got to take care of, get it taken care of?
Up there, that's what you stole.
I didn't steal anything, ma'am. This is the first time that I'm meeting you.
To you, sir.
You said that's what you stole.
I'm
so
not
you
speaking to you, sir.
You are speaking to me.
I am not. Now I am. Raising my fucking voice now. Pissing me off. You stole my registration.
Again, I didn't steal anything.
I ain't speaking to you. I am not speaking to you. That's what they was in my fucking car for. They stole my shit.
All right, here's your phone back. Now I'm just calling to confirm coverage on the insurance.
And their first and last name, please.
Brittany Richardson.
This is not an active policy.
Brittany, your insurance company's saying that your insurance is canceled, so
It's not.
your insurance company.
I have never seen that before. Them call the insurance company. I've never seen that before.
But I just called them Progressive. They're saying that the policy that you gave me is canceled. So do you have any other insurance proof?
I don't.
Okay, so you don't have insurance on your car.
No.
Okay. Do you have somebody that you can call that can come out here and give you a ride? Because your car's going to be impounded.
My policy is not expired.
They're not saying that it's expired. They're saying that it's inactive, which is probably for non-payment.
No, it's not.
Okay, well, do you have any other proof of insurance?
That is insurance. I
ahead.
paid a portion of it. I still paid for I still paid for something. I'm still entitled to money if I get in an accident or not. That's still money. It's paid for.
That's not what they're saying.
I don't give a what they say. That's what I paid for.
I'm asking you a question. Do you have any other proof of insurance?
I don't have insurance. That's it. What does it say on there? I'm paid up until a certain date.
No, that's
Yes,
not what it says.
does.
That's not what it says.
That. What did you say?
Okay, step out of the car.
What did you say?
Step out of the car.
Damn.
Did the caller specify
Come to
which
the back of your
school
car.
they were from?
I haven't raised my voice to you one
I
time.
don't give a what you did.
Negative. All.
So this is your problem. It's not mine.
Copy that. Thank you.
And I'm trying.
Gosh, I gotta go to work, and y'all pulling me over for some bullshit because
Okay,
it's a game.
stop.
It's all fun for y'all.
Stop.
Fuck you.
If you keep it up, you're going to be considered a disorderly person.
You and your fucking rules.
Okay? So do you have somebody that you can call? To
I
come
don't.
Okay. Well, where do you work
I
at?
don't know where the fuck I am. This is some bullshit. I'm sick of this fucking shit with y'all fucking toy cops.
Toy cops.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, your car's being impounded. So why don't you get on the phone and call somebody to come
I
give
don't
you a ride?
have anybody.
Well, where would you like a ride to then?
I don't want to ride anywhere. Get the fuck out of my face. I'm fucking
Don't get
sick
back.
of this shit. Damn. Just keep the car. I don't want it.
All right, here's
Give
your
me
driver's
my
license.
license.
Hold.
You.
Don't grab stuff out of my hand like that. I didn't give you your tickets yet.
Did. You ain't gonna do shit about it, you piece of shit.
Come over here now. Don't walk away from the stop. You're not released yet. You're going to get yourself arrested. Knock it off.
Arrest me then.
Come over here.
You.
Come over here.
If you're not going to arrest me, then get out the out of my face.
Don't walk away from my traffic stop. It's not done.
You said you was going.
Drop it. Stay up against the car and stop moving.
No.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting me. Get in the car.
Let me
get in the car.
Let me get my foot in first. You don't just throw me in there. Piece of shit.
Listen, I know I got a lot of professional ladies that watch me, man. So, you know, teachers and all that type of stuff. Listen, ladies, I need you to let me know, what level of nurse is this? Is this CNA? Is this LPN? Is this RN? NP? What level do you think she is? I just need to know. And then another thing I need to know is, how do you guys like her hair? Okay, this is a little off topic, but ladies, does her hair look good? Does it look good? Is that what it's supposed to look like? We know that's fake, but I'm just saying, you know, does it look good? Let me know. These are important things that I need to know. I want to know, what level of nurse is she? And I want to know if you ladies think her hair looks good. That's it.
Because you're under arrest.
What for? You said you was taking my car. That's the end of it.
No, it's not. I didn't finish my traffic stop and you walked away and I told you to stop.
No, you were finished. When you said you're going to get out the car and impound the car.
Okay.
I'm not going to wait for the truck to come. I'm leaving.
I didn't tell you to wait for the truck to come.
Exactly. So I'm good to go.
No, I didn't give you your tickets.
You're going to give them to me at the jail.
You're not going to jail. You weren't.
Give them to me now.
No, you're under arrest. Obstructing my investigation.
I'm not obstructing shit.
Say what you want.
You're all liars, and you just wanted to do this just for the fun of it. So what kind of crap you in?
She's been mouthy from the start. Told her her car was getting towed. She starts throwing shit all over the place. Whatever. And she just gets out, starts walking away. Tell her stop walking away. Fuck you. I don't gotta do fucking shit. Arrest me. Look. I said, stop walking away. I just need to give you your tickets and explain everything to you. Fuck you. I don't need to stay here. Blah, blah, blah. Okay.
Was she combative?
Yeah. So I'm just going to charge her with obstruction. Give her a ticket. Let her go. Sit back in your seat, right?
Please don't put that on me.
No, you're getting a seatbelt. It's the law.
No, don't put it on me.
You're getting a seatbelt. It's the law.
No, don't put it on me. Please don't put it on me.
Scooch over this way. You're just making this harder on yourself. Scooch over this way. I don't care which one you can get it in. Step out. Go around the back of the car to the door on the other side. Keep going to the door. Go stand in front of that silver bench.
Easy one for you? The suspect was charged with driving without insurance, driving with a suspended license, resisting arrest, and obstructing justice. She currently awaits trial. If you enjoyed this video...
Wow. Wow. Literally turning, you know, some tickets into a whole ordeal for no reason. What I really think is, I think she's going through, this is deeper than just tickets and stuff. I think she's really going through some stuff in life. That's why she's on a, you know, a downward spiral. But still, that does not give you the right to, you know, treat people nasty like that. So cops are pulling you over because you're getting flagged. You're flagged in the system, and you know your paperwork ain't right. Just because on insurance, on your insurance card, it says this date to this date, does not mean that if you don't pay your bill every month or whatever, if you're doing a monthly thing, if you don't pay it, then it ain't good from this month to this month. Like, it's not good from this date to this date. Like, it don't work like that. Like, oh my goodness. Yeah. Insane. Insane. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.